Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here, and we have a pretty good forecast in store for you as we are going to start to warm things up beginning today. Unfortunately, the winds do return in a big way as well. Chilly start, temperatures in the 30s and lower 40s, a little bit of patchy fog, kind of a hazy fog out there this morning. Otherwise, there's just going to be a lot of sunshine today. A mild, windy day, upper 60s, lower to mid 70s with those south winds, 20, 25, maybe as high as 30 miles per hour. So they are going to be quite strong through the day today. Overnight tonight, cool conditions but not cold. We're going to see overnight lows only in the 50s. Staying a bit breezy through the overnight hours, especially before midnight. And those winds actually will stay breezy into tomorrow morning but die down towards tomorrow afternoon. Starting off with some clouds. They'll actually thicken up during the day tomorrow as that cold front approaches. But before 1 o'clock, going to be a quiet day, very nice day, an enjoyable day. Once we get to about 3 o'clock or so, that's when we start to see some showers and thunderstorms developing along and just behind that frontal boundary. And that front's going to stall out for the area as we head towards Saturday night and into Sunday, giving us numerous off and on chances of showers and storms, again, starting late in the day Saturday, continuing overnight Saturday night, which will be the best chance during the nighttime hours, and then even lingering into Easter Sunday, a decent chance, especially in eastern but parts of central Nebraska and northern Kansas. Isolated severe weather not out of the question late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. I don't think it's going to be a huge threat. The upper level winds are not that strong with this system, but there's going to be some decent moisture. So some hail, some winds not out of the question with some of these storms. So for today, a very quiet day ahead of the storm. Upper 60s, lower 70s up north, mainly sunny skies. A few spots may start off with some early patchy fog and then lots of sunshine. Low to mid 70s out west, upper 60s and lower 70s in the south, and the same story out towards the east with upper 60s and lower 70s. So let's focus on the 7-day forecast. A lot to talk about. Again, the weekend, about a 40% chance of some late afternoon showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, and then I bumped that up to a 70% chance during the overnight hours. So again, focusing on Saturday night as the best chance for rain. But I'm keeping a 60% chance in for Sunday as we see some redevelopment, especially during the afternoon hours. The chance of severe weather a little bit even lower yet on Sunday. I'm really not looking for much for severe weather. That kind of wraps up Sunday night and very early on Monday morning. And even on Sunday, still going to be fairly mild out there despite a little more cloud cover pushing up to near 70 degrees. Early next week, breezy, low 70s, looking pretty good. A little bit of a cool down comes in between Monday and Tuesday. You can see it actually in our lows there as we'll drop off a little bit and then try to get back up into the low 70s on Tuesday. And then warm and breezy, if not windy conditions, some humidity coming in on Wednesday. Now before that happens, we may see an isolated thunderstorm early Wednesday morning, but then most of the day dry before the possibility of more showers and storms later in the afternoon into Wednesday night. Now there are still some timing issues with this next system for the middle of next week. Right now they're kind of pointing towards Wednesday, could potentially slow things down and push it more towards Thursday, but I have the best chance on Wednesday for now, and severe weather does look like much more of a possibility Wednesday into Thursday, and I think the farther east you live, potentially the better chance you're going to have of seeing severe weather behind this system. We'll cool back a little bit, but still not terribly cold. So yeah, going to be some good weather temperature-wise, even those overnight lows mostly in the lower to mid-50s, although that one night there into the 40s, but even that is doing pretty good. So really a good news forecast. I know a lot of people don't like the severe weather, which is inevitable this time of the year, which we'll likely get sometime towards the middle of next week. But some good rains on the way. It looks like some of you will pick up over an inch of rain over the weekend as we get towards the middle of next week. You know, if you get under a good thunderstorm, more good rains on the way. That's the good news with these shower chances. And the long-range forecast models continue to point at numerous chances of showers and thunderstorms with some big storm systems coming in as we head through the weeks to come into early May. But again, with that comes the potential for some severe weather, for something we'll have to watch for as we get down the road. So again, I know you have a lot of plans over the weekend, especially on Easter Sunday. Unfortunately, you'll probably have to deal with some rain even if as you're heading out the door Easter Sunday morning for early church services if you're doing that. But again, we need the rain, so I don't think there should be too much complaining. But you know what? I'll take the weather we got as we get towards the upcoming weekend. So until next time, next Monday, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a happy Easter.